Hey guys, it's Miss B. First, I want to just tell you guys that I miss you so much. I miss seeing your faces every day, and I'm glad I'm getting to chat with you guys on Go Guardian. Um, I wanted to record a message to you guys every day just to kind of let you know what you need to get done for the day. And so, starting yesterday, I posted a Google slide presentation in Classroom with all of your assignments for the day. I was hoping that it would be a little bit easier for you to navigate and know what you need to do every day. So I just wanted to go over today's slideshow with you so you'll know what you need to get done today, the lessons and the assignments. So once you open your slideshows, and it should always be the top assignment in Google Classroom every day. So you'll open the slideshow presentation, and then you'll come up here and you'll hit present. So this will be the first page, and this is where my message will be. I'm not going to play this one because it was just a test, but on this opening slide is where you'll click and listen to your daily message from me. After that, you'll click to the next slide. I don't have the BTV link in here yet. Ms. Bullock hasn't sent it to me, but that link will be available tomorrow when you open the slide presentation, so you can watch BTV. After BTV, you'll click, and then this is your writing assignment for the day. And there's a small picture here to show you what it should look like, but the document that you will type in will be in your Google Classroom stream in another separate assignment. This should be right underneath this presentation slide. So I try to keep all the daily assignments in the top of the feed. So after you do your writing, remember to turn it in. So sorry guys, I had to pause and restart. After you complete your writing assignment, don't forget to turn it in, and that button is always in the top right corner of your document. After writing, so you'll go to your next slide. It will be your word study assignment, and today's assignment is just this PowerPoint presentation. So you'll click the link right here, and make sure that you put it in present mode. And I've put a picture here so you'll know where that button is. And that way all of the animations and the special effects will work. So you'll just go through this presentation about adverbs tomorrow. And there are a couple of quick activities to do within the slideshow, but you don't actually have to turn in anything to me for word study today. You'll just go through the presentation. Next would be your reading for the day. And so reading for today is go to MobyMax and get on reading stories for 20 minutes. And I've even put a timer here for you to time yourself so you can make sure that you're doing it for the 20 minutes. And remember, I can log in and track, your work in MobyMax. So you don't actually have to turn in anything here, but I can track your progress and make sure that you're doing the lessons. And so that is it for ELA for today. The next slide will be your math slide. And so just like every other day, you'll begin with fact fluency for 5 minutes. And then today, instead of getting on Zearn, there is a odd and even worksheet that will be posted in Google Classroom that looks like this over here in green. And so again, that will be under your writing assignment in Google Classroom. And you'll have 2 days to work on this. So you'll work on it today and then Friday, and then you'll turn it in when you're finished. And then after that, so to work on this worksheet, no more than 10 minutes. And then after that, you'll get on MobyMax and work on math. And then if you haven't, most of you have already, but if you have not added the specials Google Classrooms yet, go ahead and do that. And these are the codes. And there's one for each specials. Just so you know, you only have to do one special a day, and I will put that in the slide in the slideshow, so you'll know which specials is for the day. So if you click to the next slide, this is your specials for today. I've linked in the assignment from Coach Fowler. You can also go to her Google Classroom and find it, but I thought it would be easier if you could just open it from here. And so that's your specials for the day. And then I just put some additional optional activities on these last two slides. So this is some grammar review, and then on the last slide is some extra things that you can do for math. There's a book on Epic called My Even Day that you can read, and then there's this website here that you can go to, but again, this is just optional. And then that's it. So you'll get one of these presentations for every day, and then I will link in a message from me explaining what you need to do for the day, and hopefully that'll make everything easier for everybody to know what they need to do and how to do it. I'm also going to try to maybe record some read alouds for you guys because that was one of my favorite things to do, was to read aloud. You guys always enjoyed it. So I'd like to maybe try to find some books and record myself reading to you all. I think that is it. Please let me know on GoGuardian, or have your parents' dojo, or text me if you need any help or have any questions about what you need to do. Next week, so this was kind of our, first week getting into the swing of things. So next week, you will be accountable for getting all your work done for the week. And I know that you guys are doing work at different times of the day, which is fine with me, as long as at the end of the week you turned in all your assignments and done all your work. That's all that I expect. So again, I miss you guys. I can't wait to see your faces again. I look forward to chatting with you and working with you on GoGuardian, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.